Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S 4xe in bright white with technology group, full-body color fender flares, 20-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Select Track full-time four-wheel drive system, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0 liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7933.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.